Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your chat wallpaper from your gallery on Telegram using the latest updated method. If you're bored with the default background or just want to personalize your chats with your own photos, this is super easy to do. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Now, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up your main options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account and app appearance. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section allows you to customize how your chats look and feel. Next, tap on Change Chat Wallpaper. You'll now see different options for setting a background. To use your own image, tap on Select from Gallery. This will open your phone's gallery, where you can choose any photo you like. Browse through your images and select the one you want to use as your chat wallpaper. After selecting it, you may get a preview where you can adjust how it looks. Once you're happy with it, confirm your choice, and that's it. Your new wallpaper will instantly apply to your chats. This is a great way to make your Telegram experience more personal, whether you prefer a clean aesthetic, a favorite photo, or something more creative. And that's how you change your chat wallpaper from your gallery on Telegram. Simple, quick, and fully customizable.